Sa BICAM, tinanggal lahat. Nabawasan pa. Yung iya ako, kaya di ba nakita mo yung speech ko sa floor, dun sa picture taking sa BICAM, di ko nga piniman natin. I walked out of the BICAM. I was also upset on the handling of the budget. Apparently, I'm not the only one. Across the board, all the amendments given to all the departments, tinanggal, linamsam, kung anong ginamit dun sa pera na yan, di ko na alam. Diba? So now we get a budget that education is only number 2 in priority, which is it's a constitutional violation, by the way, which is still being heard in the halls of the Supreme Court. So if you ask me, that budget was the worst budget I've ever seen in my 25 years of public service. I mean, we all as leaders, I had 2 budgets during my time. Sinagot naman ni Sani yung mga kung saan pumunta yung pera, nadagdagan yung edukasyon, nadagdagan yung military. Diba? Klaro-klaro. Ito, puro DPWH lang nadagdagan eh. Diba? So, diba? Nabusog yung DP.
Dondi, meron ka pa?
So, yun lang. Kaya, that was just one of them. So, the handling of the impeachment is one. Of course, the budget's another. And the lack of transparency. For example, the Senate building, what is going to happen with the Senate building? Findings came out na wala naman, on track naman daw. We're spending a lot. 4 kasi na tower yan eh. Diba? So, ano na yung pangyayari dyan? Hindi namin alam. Matutuloy ba yan? Will it become a white elephant? We're not told what's going to happen to that.
Hindi ka na-update.
No, there's no update whatsoever. I don't know what's going on. Among their side, yung kumakausap lang sa akin dun, and I'll be honest about it, and I thank him for it,